Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be doing the C7 clinch cutter. This is a farrier's tool from the Dymaloy company. Garage Shop Minnesota sent this to me. Thanks a lot, brother. I truly appreciate it. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well let's get a good look at this. This is another awesome Dymaloy tool created for a specific use. This is a clinch cutter. It's a farrier's tool. I think what I'm going to do is put a link in the description below of a video that demonstrates how to use this tool. I think it's pretty cool. Thanks again to Garage Shop Minnesota for sending me this. I don't have anything like this, and this is going to be an awesome asset to my Dymaloy collection. So I say we throw it on the wire wheel. Let's get at it. That cleaned up pretty nice. I don't know if you're going to be able to read diamond on there. Yeah, you can. So we're going to throw this in the Evaporust and I will catch up with you guys tomorrow. Alrighty guys, well this is right out of the Evaporust. It's been about 24 hours and it's got the dark Evaporust look. So I say we go and we take this to the wire wheel and see what we got. All right. Well, the clinch tool came out pretty good from the Evaporust, but it's not good enough. We're gonna have to take it up a notch. Well, it's getting there. It's getting there. Take it up a little bit more. Well, that's looking a lot better. I do still have some nicks and dings in there, but I don't want to take way too much material out of this. So I'm going to throw it on the fiber wheel and see what it comes out like after that. And then we'll figure out where we're going to go from there. This thing is so cool. finger. Well, that's after the sanding. Not too bad. I want to throw it on the buffer a little bit, just get it looking just a little bit better, and I think we're going to call it there. I kind of like it. I don't know, I might throw it on the wire wheel instead of the buffer. I'm kind of looking for like a matte finish instead of a high polish. C7 Diamond Duluth, USA. That came out pretty good. I'm quite happy with that. It's got that mattish finish on there. Yeah, it's going to look really nice in the collection. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with the Diamond Caulk and Horseshoe Clinch Tool. I hope you guys like the way that this turned out. Special shout out to Garage Shop Minnesota for sending this tool to me. Thanks a lot, brother. I truly appreciate it. This is going to fit well in my collection, and I hope you like the way that this turned out. If you guys would, please go and check out Garage Shop Minnesota. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Like always guys, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.